So how do you rename a folder on the iPad? Let's get started. And if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Now, there are two main folders which you might be referring to. Like on the home screen of your iPad, you can put apps into like these groups. And these are folders, so you can open it up like that, hold down on the name like this, and you'll be able to go to the edit mode where you can like remove the current title and replace it with something else, right? So this is how you can rename the folders on the home screen. Outside of that, we also have the Files app, which a lot of people use, and there as well you get to pick and create the folders for your specific files. And that one can either be renamed by tapping on like the name below, or you can just hold down on it. More options are going to appear, and you can tap on the rename, which lets you type in a different name for your folder. Same thing whenever you are like creating a new one by tapping on the button in the top right corner. You also get to pick a name when you begin, right? So you have full control over your folders on the iPad, and you can give it the name that you're going to recognize and know, right? So that's how it works. In case of any additional questions, leave them below in the comments, but I'm going to wrap it up right now. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next guides.